Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, professionals and officials, respected fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. Presence of Swami Vivekananda. Through the presence of words, thoughts, with the presence of mind, it is 100% present sense of mind which provide us success in competitive examinations. Every person who is participating and who is preparing for the competitive examination, he must focus upon the target 100% with full of energy. It is the energy of your mind which will provide you maximum understanding of the different internal organs of your human body. As far as we discuss the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda, for getting success, his philosophy and his thought, which is immortal and unperishable throughout the world. Learners, listeners, readers, speakers of the new language, they follow the path as Swami Vivekananda has explained and described that power, energy is the name of life, and weakness, shortcomings, faults, depression, frustration, anxieties, sorrows, this is the name of death. So, gentlemen, youngsters, those who are fighting, those who want to get success in their life, we must remember not only the words of Swami Vivekananda but his actions also, who told us that success means not any platform, destination. As our present Prime Minister, after 20 years time of CM in Gujarat, he promoted and became PM, bottom to top, root to fruit. He is really the inspirational and motivational source of our careers. Being a counselor and consultant of education, academician, educationist, I would like to suggest that everyone who is fighting for getting success, who is attending competitive classes in banking, in RAS, IPS, Gram Sevak, and in different kind of competitions, they must go through the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. It means not that they are to be the reader, they are not to be only the passive reader, but they should implement and apply the lifestyle of Swami Vivekananda. As Swami Vivekananda, who used to get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, his routine, his daily routine was really a great example, a great lesson for the youngsters and for every professional who want to get manner, style, standard for improving his skill. He must apply the philosophy, autobiography of Swami Vivekananda. So it is the milestone and landmark efforts of our present Prime Minister, who addressed for starting the PMKY for improving the manner, style, standards of our youth. Academic degrees and theoretical degrees are not enough to provide us employment, but we are to be skilled. Skill means how do we spend our lifetime, daily routine. At what time do we get up? What time we should get up? What to eat? When to eat? Where to eat? Why to eat? And how to eat? What to think? When to think? Where to think? How to think? And why to think? These are the general questions which are created, generated, operated in the scholar's mind. So students and scholars, initiators, beginners of the different trades, they must learn this thing. They must go through the personal autobiographies of such persons who were multidimensional, multi-sided and multifaceted personality. Swami Vivekananda addressed that unspoken, unread, unwritten and unheard is more powerful than theoretical things. So thanks.